Today on the menu, we have an easy to cook dish that I really love. The name of this dish is Pad See Ew. It's stir-fry noodle with soy sauce. As usual, for many Thai recipes, you can choose to cook it with either pork, beef, chicken, shrimp, or seafood. The core recipe is the same. And today I will go with shrimp. Are you ready? Let's go! Black pepper, oyster sauce, fish sauce, seasoning powder, sugar, black soy sauce, cooking oil, eggs, garlic, Chinese kale, shrimps, and rice noodles. Now I am going to cut Chinese kale. And I really like this part. It's chewy.
When it hits you, yes, you shall.
How to cut Chinese kale? No need to cut it too big.
Yes, you.
Like this.
1, 2, 3, do it!
My favorite part of Chinese kale. Yum, 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 yum. I have to cut outside skin of Chinese kale because the skin is quite hard for chewing. I will smash the garlic by knife to make it easier to peel. Now look how easy it is to peel it. Now I am going to chop it. Time to take care of the shrimp. I should wash my hand before next step. It's better to mix rice noodle with black soy sauce before putting in the pan because rice noodle get easily burned.
When it hits you,
Mix by hand like this.
when it hits you, yes, you holler, yeah.
1,
I have to wash my hands again. Hands clean. Now time to go to cooking station. Use medium heat, then add some oil. Add some chopped garlic. When you smell garlic, add some shrimps. When your shrimps almost cooked, add some Chinese kale.
Yes, you shall. When it hits you,
When everything cooked, time to add some rice noodles.
when it hits you,
2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning powder. Some fish sauce. Some oyster sauce. your noodle on the side like this. And then add some egg. Switch to high heat. And then mix everything together. Now it's done. It looks very good. Let's serve it. Sprinkle some black pepper. Add some lime.
Yes, 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 you shall. When it hits you, yes, 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 indeed. Yes, you.
And voila! Bon appetit! So you see, it's very easy to cook, right? And quite good as well, I guess, because see, he ate it in less than 5 minutes. Tell me in the comment, what is your favorite Pad See Ew? And feel free to ask me if there is something you would like me to cook. If you like my video, you can also share it and subscribe. Make sure to click on the bell to receive a notification when I add a new recipe. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ and see you next. Oh, no. Did you do it already? Did you shop that like button? See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye.